Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can copy contacts from WhatsApp group to Excel. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for web.whatsapp.com. After that, make sure to sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, all of your recent chats will be displayed. Simply access the target WhatsApp group and this type of page will load up. Now, right-click on the top group bar and a menu will open up. After that, select Inspect from the bottom of the menu and a new side panel will appear. Simply select the mobile numbers section and right-click on it. Then, hover your cursor over the Copy feature and select Copy Element. Now, open the Microsoft Excel application and paste the copied content. After that, get to the Data section and select Text to Columns. Make sure to check mark Delimited. Then select Other on the next step and enter plus. Now finish the process and the contacts will be separated automatically. After that, select the whole row, copy it, and then select Paste Special from the sub-menu. Then checkmark Transpose and click on OK to turn it into a list. So that's basically how you can copy contacts from WhatsApp group to Excel. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.